everyone, in this video we are going to create an AR experience for the atomic structure model. I hope that you have downloaded the model from the website. Now before we upload this model on the EnablAR platform, we need to zip this model. So let's understand how to create a zip file for the downloaded 3D model. First, select the model by left clicking on it and then right click to access Add to Archive option. On selecting it, you can see a small pop-up window. On the top you can see the name of the file, and on the bottom side you can see the archive format. Select zip and then press on OK. Now you can see that the zip file has been created. We will be uploading this zip file on the EnablAR platform. We are currently on the EnablAR website. Now let's log in to access the EnablAR platform. Once you have logged in, go to the AR section, and in the AR section fill out the application details. Now the 3D model that we are using is of an atomic structure, so let's name the application name the same. Now let's move downwards. Now the number of models that I'm adding is 1. And let's enter a button name. You can enter any button name. Now we need to select the file. Go to the place that you have saved the zip file and then select that zip file. Once the file is uploaded, check if all the details are correct, and once you have ensured that, click on the submit button. Currently the project is being uploaded, and depending on your model size, the time may vary. Now the project has been uploaded. You will be redirected onto the dashboard. Now on the dashboard you can see that the file has been uploaded and it's getting processed, and very soon the APK will get built. Now once the APK is built, you will receive an email from where you can download your app. Once you have downloaded the AR app, click on it to access it. Place the app over the trigger image to see your 3D model, and also click on the button.